In order to make you master basic flying skills faster and safer, this series of videos will share flying skills and precautions for novice. Before taking off, place the aircraft on a level ground and pay attention to the tail of the aircraft facing you. Enter the app. Please set the return height in the return settings. The return height should be higher than the height of the surrounding buildings. Click the app Key Takeoff button. The aircraft will take off automatically, hovering at a height of 2 meters, waiting for your next operation. At this time, the Key Takeoff button becomes the Land Return button. Click the button and the aircraft will land automatically. If you need to take off manually, take the American hand, Mode 2, as an example. Push both sticks to the outer corners in the bottom to start the motors. After the motors start, release the joysticks and then gently push the left throttle stick to achieve manual takeoff. Choose a suitable position. Pull down the throttle stick. The aircraft will land. If you don't take off after the motors are started, pull down the throttle stick to turn off the motors. Take the American hand as an example. Push the left throttle stick up to ascend, pull down to descend, push left to rotate counterclockwise, push right to rotate clockwise. Push the right stick up to fly forward, pull down to fly backward, push left to fly left, push right to fly right. It's very important to have your own operating feel during normal flight. In the app Settings Gimbal, you can adjust the speed of the gimbal. In the app Settings Control, you can adjust the joystick settings. Thanks for watching.